Elite Media presents Itineraries through the Tuscan hills. Among vineyards kissed by the sun, olive groves stretching across rolling hills and villages filled with ancient aromas, Tuscany becomes a journey through flavors, traditions and unforgettable culinary experiences. San Miniato welcomes travelers with the unmistakable aroma of its world-famous white truffle, one of Tuscany's finest gastronomic treasures. Here, medieval streets lead to wine cellars, traditional trattorias and panoramic terraces where local olive oil, handmade pasta and Tuscan wines celebrate centuries of culinary heritage. Certaldo enchants visitors with rustic taverns, saffron traditions and recipes inspired by the Tuscan countryside and the legacy of Giovanni Boccaccio. Colle di Val combines crystal craftsmanship with authentic Tuscan cuisine, where local wines and traditional peachy pasta accompany the timeless beauty of the Elsa Valley. In the countryside surrounding Vinci, Sant'Anzano offers the quiet pleasures of rural Tuscany, with olive oil mills, vineyards and authentic flavors. Montelupo Fiorentino blends ceramic artistry with Tuscan culinary tradition, where local wines and rustic dishes reflect centuries of artisan culture. At the gateway to Florence, Scandicci celebrates Tuscan elegance through artisan markets, traditional bakeries and refined local cuisine rooted in Florentine heritage. In the heart of the Chianti hills, Greve in Chianti becomes a paradise for wine lovers and gourmets alike. Surrounded by endless vineyards, the town is the soul of Chianti Classico, where historic wineries offer unforgettable tastings of ruby red wines paired with pecorino cheese, extra virgin olive oil and the legendary Florentine steak. Terranuova Bracciolini reveals authentic Tuscan hospitality among vineyards, olive groves and traditional countryside flavors. Fogliano della Chiana delights visitors with rich culinary traditions, from handmade pasta to prized Chianina beef, one of Tuscany's gastronomic symbols. Marciano della Chiana preserves the rustic soul of Tuscany through local wines, olive oil traditions and authentic rural cuisine. Castelfiorentino offers the simple elegance of Tuscan flavors, where local bakeries, wines and traditional dishes celebrate the spirit of the countryside. Pistoia surprises travelers with vibrant food markets, historic cafes and recipes rooted in ancient Tuscan tradition. Nearby, Quarata combines green landscapes with authentic rural cuisine, where olive oil, local meats and seasonal ingredients define the flavors of the territory. Pieve a Nivo offers peaceful countryside flavors inspired by nature, local farms and Tuscan tradition. Pescia welcomes visitors with floral landscapes, local markets and authentic recipes enriched by seasonal products and Tuscan aromas. Azzano overlooks vineyards and olive groves where the simplicity of rural Tuscany becomes pure culinary emotion. Gambassi Terme invites travelers to slow down between thermal waters, vineyards and unforgettable tastings of Tuscan wines and traditional cuisine shared beneath golden sunsets. Discover more at www.elite-media.it.